The lid of a water butt, without a shadow of a doubt, is a gardener's friend. 1, it stops the evaporation of the water you've so preciously harvested. 2, it stops debris getting in. 3, it stops the light getting in so algae grows. So a lid is very, very practical. Now, if you haven't got a lid on yours, all you need is a pair of these. It's just a normal pair of tights. Thicker the better, darker the better. So I'm just going to put that straight over the top. Now, the reason that you want them dark is to not let any light get through, and likewise with the thickness as well, because it keeps it much more practical. And that acts as a perfect cover. And if you want to dunk your watering can into your water butt, it just pops straight off. But of course, if you're using an Irrigatia unit, you do have an extra bit of backup, because at the end of the feed, which is taking water from the water butt, there's a little filter. Just put that lid back on. For more information, just go to the website irrigatia.com.